Hello friends, today we discuss how to solve this question. Without wasting time, start the video. Before solving this question, we cover some basic concepts which are very useful to solve this question. The concept is first, if you see any expression written in this form a to the power m. If you see any expression here, a is called the base and m is called the exponent. This is the exponent. And you see many expression in this type in the question a to the power m and a to the power n. If you see any expression this type here, a and a are the base which are equal and m and n are the exponent which are different. So you can written this expression in simplified form only a and only add up the exponent, that means m plus n. This is the very simple form. And the second concept which are useful solving this question, that means if you write a simple or same expression plus add up, that means a to the power m plus a to the power m plus a to the power m plus. So this type of the expression can be written in the simplified form taking the common factor. That means here you see a to the power m is the same, it comes out and we return a. Here comes a to the power m comes out, here a to the power m comes out, here a to the power m comes out. That means 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is remaining. This is the very simple concept which are also useful to solving this question. Now start this question how to solve. Here we rewrite this question and this type a to the power, so that means 10 to the power 4 plus 10 to the power 4 plus 10 to the power 4 divided by 100. Here you see 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 4 are the equal. That means we rewrite into a common form according to this law, which means a q, that means 10 to the power 4, 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by 100. Now here we see 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. That means we get 10 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 divided by 100. Now we solve this question again in some step. That means 10 to the power 4 means here we rewrite 10 to the power 4 means 10 this types. So now rewrite 10, that means 0 0 0 multiplied by 3 divided by 0 0. Here we see in the numerator and denominator 0 comes equal and cancel out, and remaining part is 100 multiplied by 3, that means 300 comes answer of this question. So that's we write here final answer of this question is 300. So this is the very simple question you can solve easily. We meet in next video with some new concept. Thanks for watching.